The turbocharged 991.2 Carrera Plenum delivers substantial power and torque gains by replacing the factory plastic T intake with our patented, more efficient cast aluminum Y design plenum. This superior and proven design splits and channels intake airflow, reducing air turbulence while increasing air velocity. We also dimple the interior surfaces of our plenums to further optimize laminar flow and improve overall engine performance. This Carrera Plenum delivers a staggering 25 plus wheel horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque while dramatically improving boost response. And being a product of efficiency, the IPD Plenums deliver net gains across both power and torque curves all the way from launch to redline. The 991.2 Carrera Plenum utilizes the factory's 74mm throttle body and will elevate your Porsche driving experience to an even higher level.